As the moon rotates around the Earth, we see different fractions of the sunlit half or hemisphere of the moon. These are known as the phases of the moon. With the phases of the moon, there is shrinking and there's growing. Waning means shrinking, and waxing means growing. The phases. It starts with the new moon, where you can't see the moon at all. Then the waxing crescent, where you can see only a small part of the moon. Then the first quarter, where you can see half of the moon. Then the waxing gibbous, where you can see almost all of the moon. Then the full moon, where you can see a whole side of the moon. After that, it all goes backwards. So there's the waning gibbous, which is shrinking, the last quarter, the waning crescent, then back to the new moon. The 8 phases is one circle around the Earth. When the moon has gone through the 8 phases, this is called a lunar month. And it takes 29.5 days for the moon to orbit around the Earth once. On Earth, we have tides. That means if you're at the beach and you sit about 2 meters away from the water or the shore, eventually the water will come and reach you. These are high tides. The tides on Earth are caused by the moon's gravitational pull. The sun also influences the tides. Even though the sun is so much bigger than the moon's gravitational pull of the Earth is much greater because it's closer to the Earth. The gravitational pull of the moon pulls the Earth's water upwards. There is high tides and low tides. The moon causes the water to bulge, which means high tides. The water facing the moon on Earth bulges up, and the opposite side of Earth, the water there also bulges. The side where the water does not bulge is known as low tides.